No replicas. No aftermarket. Just pure Porsche OEM icons. From the 964 to the 997, these are the wheels that define generations of the Porsche 911. Starting with the 964, the legendary Cup 1 wheels. Simple, lightweight, motorsport DNA in its purest form. Then the 993, introducing the iconic Cup 2 and the unmistakable turbo twist. Flowing lines, timeless design, instantly recognizable. With the 996, Porsche stepped into a new era. OEM designs became sharper, lighter, and more performance-driven. Function meets modern form. And then, the 997. Refined, precise, purposeful. Carrera classic, sport design, OEM perfection. Each wheel, factory engineered. Each design, built with intent. Each generation, a legacy on its own. This is Porsche, exactly as it was meant to be. Which OEM wheel is your favorite?